1. Hello guys. So we're gonna do some bird feeding. Come on, let's I'm gonna show you.
Okay, we need the bird feed.
This is how I always have to drink it off because I don't like the handle. The handle's worse, Daddy. I already opened it. I already put one scoop. Oh. No. Okay.
Take it off.
Dad, can we put it up here?
Pick it up.
Whoa. This. Whoa.
Did we fill this up the other day?
Yeah.
Yes? Is the bird seed all gone?
Yep.
So we fed some birds already, didn't we?
Yes, and that was our first time putting in. That was. It's 4 more to left because I already did.
Okay, keep them going.
Yep. Let's do.
Got the cinematography like a Jerry Bruckheimer film.
And now we have 3 more. Let's put a little bit out. Golden. There's a golden. There's a golden. Probably a golden. Now just one more.
Oh. Oh, grab it. Put it back in there. Let's do one more time.
Yeah.
Don't forget about those. Okay. Hold the funnel with the other hand. Nope. Get a scoop. Get a scoop. There you go. That's perfect. Okay, put the chimney on.
Yep. Santa came for your food. For your presents, I meant. That's funny, right?
Uh-huh. Okay, let's get it up there.
Oh, that was free. Oh no, let's put some. Voila, that's how we do it. 3s and a big thumbs up. If you give me 3,000, or if you give me 3,000 thumbs up, that would be awesome. That I give you 6,000,000 thumbs up.
6,000,000 thumbs up?
Yep. That's
Okay.
a lot.